In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Framer to Shopify. So for this, there's actually no direct way, but we're gonna have to use a plugin which is called Shopify over here. So just go to Google and type in Shopify, and then over here you'll see this website which is shopiframe.com, and it says Shopify to Framer integration. So just click on that link over here. And when you come to their official website over here, you can then start for free by just clicking start for free, and then you can click on get started. Now, what this will do, it will take you to this website over here, which is basically from framer.com, the marketplace where you can see plugins. And then you can just open this plugin by clicking open plugin over here. And then you can either take it inside a project you already have inside Framer, or you can create a new project if you want to. So I'm just going to connect it to one of my templates over here. I'm going to click on this. And then it's going to open up our Framer dashboard over here, the editor inside Framer, and then you'll see we can now start connecting via the Shopify. There we go, it's gonna start loading. Okay, now here on the right we now have the Shopify plugin. It says build beautiful Shopify stores with Framer. Okay, so what you should do over here is first, of course, you can configure your page, you can configure your website, whatever you want to do, and then you can actually start logging in. And the way you can do this is by clicking over here where it says store configuration. Click on that, and then it says please sign in to connect your Shopify store. Now click on sign in, and then you want to first enter in your email address. So let me just enter this in. You want to click on sign in/sign up, and then you're going to have to verify your email. Now you will get an OTP, so basically a code to your email. Let me just hop onto my email over here really quickly so I can see this. There we go. Now you want to paste in your code just like that. And right now it says I have no credits available. Okay, so it says connect your Shopify store, enter your store domain and access token to connect your Shopify store. Now here, before you do this, you'll first have to buy store credits. Okay, because if you want to do this, of course, it's not going to be completely for free. This is a plugin which is paid. You can get started for free, but of course you will need some of these store credits available to actually do this. So first, you're going to have to click on buy, and then after you do this, over here, as you can see, you'll have to basically complete this purchase over here. So you'll be able to select if you want the starter, the standard, or the premium package over here, and then it will also tell you what all you can get with it. Now, after you do this, you're gonna have to put in your details and then pay, and then you'll be good to go. So from here, what you're going to be able to see is you're going to be able to put in your basically storefront domain, and then you'll be able to put in your access token. And then after you do this, easily you'll be able to basically connect your Shopify store. So they also provide a tutorial over here, so you'll know exactly what you have to do once you've purchased these credits. So that's pretty much the best way to connect this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.